Hello, hi, myself Vikita, right? So you all must be knowing me well. So actually, I just wanted to say some small things that's in this quarantine, stay home, stay happy, stay safe with your family, and please do not waste time. This is the most precious time you get, and as declared by the CA Institute, the exams have been postponed. So make sure you do best, strive hard, do not lose your patience, do not get irritated or frustrated because you're not able to go out. Just relax down for some time, meditate, do workouts. If you're getting bored in the total day of study, then please use the maximum utilization of YouTube about small motivational speeches, as well as you can see about the small concepts which you have doubts. Utilize in that manner. Every single moment is very important for you people. This time, this quarantine at home, must be feeling very bored, not able to go out, and so not able to go and meet your friends. And so make sure you after within a day you talk to someone you feel good, and after 2-3 days you talk to your friends and just check out what they're doing and have fun, do video calls. It will be good. But now what I'm saying is, make a proper schedule. You have some 50 to 55 days left for your exams, and for those those who are preparing for double and triple degrees like CA, ICAA and CS, they have to work more hard because CS and CMA haven't declared any postpone, but there may be a postpone of the exams because of the situation all over the world, and India is really striving hard to come out of the situations. So what we can do is, we can just sit for some time, meditate, prayer, feel that power of being healthy, being positive, and do not try to waste time at all, because it's the most precious time you're getting from God. And you can just say it's a positive sign to study, to get involved in the depth of the small things which we do not know about the studies of about the course of final and intermediate. My dear MCS and OP students, all those who know me very well, and all those who do not know me, still this video will be very helpful and motivated, because in this duration students study, but they get frustrated because they study for the long time, and it's a daily routine from last 30 days which we are doing. So what we can do is to come out of that little bit frustration mode, do some hobbies. Start, if you have a hobby of singing, sing a song in between of 1 hour of studies, then you get relaxed. If you have a habit of reading books and novels, then start reading novels. Do not waste, do not put the whole time on those hobbies, but make sure that those hobbies are also going through your day-to-day life, so that you get encouraged as a person, and you can really get a positive vibe on it. So and one more thing, make a proper study plan. Ensure that you are working on your study plan only. Do not talk to your friends and get motivated or demotivated because they are studying more, or they're able to sit for long hours. And so if you are not able to sit for long hours, do one thing. When you are studying a theory topic for 2 hours, then make sure that after 2 hours you go to a practical topic, so that you get interested. Or else you can watch a 1 hour of half an hour of videos of so many lectures you have, right, in the YouTube. And you better know what are the teachers are. Like in tax, you have Banvar sir, then you have Vishal Bhattat sir in GST, and then you have Vijay sir in tax. then you have GST topics, then you have a number of teachers helpful. They are all sitting for you and working hard so that you sit at home, be safe, happy, and study well. The most important point all over the whole teachers are going is that you need to study and put your best. These hours are the most effective hours, and make sure you find the best out of it. Do not waste time at all. See motivation videos, check out some funny videos so that you feel happy, motivated. Talk to your parents, they feel good. Find time for your family also. So thank you so much. Stay happy, stay safe, and please make sure that you study well. Each day you make a plan, and then end of the day you just see that that plan is executed well or not, and then make sure that you execute that plan in the next days also. And repetitive revisions are very important. So thank you so much. Have fun, but study well, study hard, and do not forget the quote, try till you succeed. All those who have given exam for many terms are maybe disappointed, but do not, because God is there, and it's all about our hard work never goes down and never goes to vain. It's always back in the same life. It's all karma. So thank you so much. Stay happy, stay tuned, and then again I can just provide one more motivation video after some days. So study well, all the best, do well. Thank you, and signing off, yours Vikita ma'am. Thank you, bye.